Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to search an element in an array using linear search in Java. This is one of the most basic and important concepts for interviews. So first thing, we need to understand what is the linear search. Linear search means we check each element one by one from the beginning until we find the target element. Let's suppose take an example of the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, there are the thousands of employee names are available. So you want to search that specific employee name. Then this program will help you. So let's start with that program. So let's suppose we'll take the example of an array. So I will write here an array. First thing we need an main method. So main method, everyone know the execution of Java program start from the main method, right? So here I write the main method and I will write the array in array. We will take the 45 as a target element. We have to find the index of the 45. Okay, so let's mention target element is 45. Okay. So this is the value we want to search in the array. 45 we want to search in the array. So I will use a boolean tag here, found. So next we will try to write the proper method. So we use here a boolean variable to track whether the element is found or not. That's why we use here a boolean flag. Now we have to use a loop to iterate to each element of an array. So I will write here the loop. So we are using a for loop to iterate to each element of an array. Then we use a condition array of I. And here we compare each element of an array within the target value, right? So we have the target value, 45. Next, if the element match, we print the index and mark it as a found and stop the loop using the break. So use a sysout statement again. Then what index we found to. Once the element found, will break the loop. So now we have to use if found condition also. So after the loop, if the element is still not found, we print the found not found message. So I will write here, not operator I will use. The element is not found in it. So let's try to run this. So the element 45 found at the index 3 number. Okay. So they will explain you step by step what exactly is the program. So okay. So I first condition is 0. At the zeroth condition we have a 10. Right? You can see here we have a 10, but the not equal to 45. So at the first condition we don't find the 45. First now the second condition we have 25 not operator. Okay, we have to find the 45. Then I 2, then at which element we have second index 30. So not equal to 45, right? Then I equal to 3, third loop. So then we have 45 equal to 45. And then the loop will break. Right? Once the element found, then the loop will break. So this is the our program. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Java and automation testing content. Thank you.